Leo, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I want to say I appreciate you all for being here today with me as we go through what's going on in your love life with a person that you are interested in from September 16th to the 30th. So you guys, this is going to be basically for the rest of September, okay? If it resonates with you right now, that is amazing. I hope that it does. If it does not, then give it time, because everything is based on divine timing on this channel. So whenever it's supposed to resonate with you, it will. Okay, but do give the events time to play out. All right, and I always recommend coming back to listen again to see how things played out for you. Now, Leo, if you all are resonating with it and you like what you're hearing, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button before you go. Feel free to drop a comment down below. It does help the channel. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm sure there's going to be something good here for you one day that you will really love. Okay, so become a part of the community. Also, if you're interested in getting a personal reading or some type of guidance about your love life, your career, life purpose, your spiritual gifts, whatever it is that you feel you need to hear at this time, and you want something potent, you want the truth, you want to know something straightforward, something that you really need to know about your life right now, then I do recommend getting a personal. Check out the description box down below. That's where you will find the link to my shop. All right, so Leo, we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see here on your screen, you have good vibes only. Good vibes only. All right, so that is all you are welcoming in at this time. But we're going to look into how you both feel about each other, and how you both see each other within the connection. All right, so for you, Leo, you guys, what I'm getting for you immediately was this song. It's this song, and it goes like, smoking on my ex pack tonight. Something about smoking on your ex pack tonight. I don't know what that means. That's like, honestly, I really don't. That's like urban terminology. There's a backstory with it, of course, but I'm not familiar with it. But what I can say from what I'm interpreting for the sake of you guys is that maybe something about your exes, you guys are really, two ways I see this. First, I see this as you are smoking hot right now. A lot of people think that you're very attractive, but it is because you're killing your exes right now. All right? You're killing your exes right now. It's something about you having so much love from another person, a new person now in your life. Your exes cannot stand this. You guys have exes that can't stand what's going on right now. They feel that they have really lost you for good. These exes were still attracted to you guys, and they feel like you are hurting their feelings. Okay, somebody out there, a Leo out there, listen, Leo, you're crushing some people's hearts, and you may not be aware that you're doing this. Some of you may know about it. Others of you, you're clueless, but you're crushing your ex's hearts. Maybe there's some people who felt like they had another chance with you, or they wanted a second opportunity to date you, and maybe these people had just really believed that they had it like that in your life, that they could just try to come and get with you and you'll take them serious, or you'll want something from them. But for some reason, that's not the case. I feel like all of your exes know that there is somebody that's really attracted to you right now, or maybe there's a lot of people attracted to you right now, Leo. Whatever is going on, there's people that are into you, and your ex knows about it. And all of your exes, I feel they all know about it, especially if you're someone who people just can't get enough of, right? But not everyone can be that way. I get it, that's for like selected people. But I'm saying though, whatever it is, somebody is like still checking for you and still watching your life some kind of way. It's like someone has a I was going to say a third eye view. Maybe it could be that you guys have a psychic ex who's able to tap into your energy and know what's going on in your life. But what I wanted to say was a bird's eye, or maybe like a third person view. That's what I mean. Like your exes are onlookers to your life. It just imagine an audience of your exes, and you and a new love interest or new love partner, whatever, you guys are on the stage performing for all of your exes, and they are boo, they're throwing stuff on the stage at you, it's going down. And that's because they are so upset, because you really do have this high frequency right now, or maybe you just are attracting someone with a high frequency into your life, and these people are upset about this, Leo. So if you have Leo anywhere in your chart, I'm just letting you know that that's what's going on. I feel like whoever this newer energy is that you've allowed to come into your life or your heart space, this is someone who brings just pure ecstasy. I mean, this feels like a really deep passion between you and this person for the rest of the month. Feeling more connected to their body, their mind, and their soul. You guys are really meshing well together. This could be a twin soul union at this time. This could be you guys coming together in some kind of way. But you feel good in your twin's energy or your person's energy, and you love being around them or with them. Something about this person just really drives you crazy in a good way. And I feel like this connection is too hot to let it go. You are too hot for them to let you go. Like there's just something about the sexual attraction that's there between the two of you, the passion that you have. And I'm also getting another song. Some of you could be dealing with someone who's a musician, or you could be a musician yourself for some of you, but it doesn't have to be. It's just, I'm getting another song. Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Where are you from? What can I come? Something like that, right? Excuse me, what's your name? Ooh, oh. So there's someone who, just think about the ambiance of that energy. It's like someone who's like a gentleman approaching a lady, but a lady that they already kind of have in a sense, but they come off like they don't have you. And it's so cute, flirty, sexy, and romantic. The fact that they do it the way that they're doing it, right? It's like they're still flirting with you even though they know they have you, or vice versa. This could be you toward them. This is really cute. Now, your person of interest, I feel like this person does want some type of rendezvous with you. They want to pull an all-nighter. So they don't want you to make any plans. They don't want you to have anything else going on. On the day or the night or whatever that they come through, they don't want you to be busy. They have a secret plan to engage you. So for some of you, I could be spoiling this, but this person wants to engage you. Or this is someone who just wants to have like this sweet romantic night with you under the stars or under the night sky. This person really does feel like you are a star in their eyes, and so you deserve this type of gestures from them. They're ready to take action on their ideas, okay? They're focused on you. They feel like they have found a really big connection that they feel they have with you. So they're very happy. They're sinking right into their feelings, and honestly, it feels really good to them to feel you in this way. They are really turned on by you, very attracted to you at this time, Leo. Now, your point of view toward them. How are you seeing them at this time? There's something about wet. I'm just saying, I am really just calling out I just speak what is going on, right? I'm not trying to encourage anything here, but there is something like that. This person, you may see them as you guys coming into union. You know, the number 2 could be significant for some of you in this connection, but you feel like you guys are really coming together, unifying here, a closeness between you and them. There's a togetherness with you and them. So you see that this person has created an abundant amount of high frequency energy within this connection that has allowed you the ability to access this energy and use it to enhance your own energy and helps you manifest your dreams into reality, because this person's created this type of frequency between the two of you, and all your dreams are coming true because of them. I feel like this person is definitely a catalyst for your like life purpose, okay, or like a catalyst for your 10th house energy, okay, like your legend, your I don't know why I said that. Legacy. This person could be a legend, or you could be a legend in the making. I don't know, but this could be like a legendary love for some of you. But I feel like this is definitely a twin soul, twin flame, whatever you want to call it. For a lot of you, that's what you're dealing with. All right. You see them as someone who is able to transmute all negativity that came your way, their way in this connection, and they can turn it into positive, all that which can help your relationship. Your person is very he or she is into alchemy. This person's into some type of magic. They're into some type of spiritual thing, or maybe it's just their energy. Maybe they don't even know that they're this powerful, that they're doing these things. Maybe you didn't know that they were this powerful to make these things happen. But this person has allowed something to occur in this connection that is giving you the ability to manifest your dreams. So the best thing for this person to do right now, because as your dreams as they're creating this type of frequency, Leo, your dreams are manifesting together simultaneously. It's happening together as a unit. And so I feel like this person right now should just keep all the negativity away from this connection during this special time. This is the person, this is their time to move forward with you now. No more negative thoughts, no more negative thinking. Your person has figured out that they are a magician, literally have figured out that they can create magic and they can pull this relationship through things that they didn't think they could in order for you guys to stay together or to stay connected to each other. This is really powerful energy. Now, your person and how they see you as very, very positive at this time. They also feel like you are going through a lot of changes. And there's something about changes. Yeah, a lot of changes happening. You are becoming more free to be yourself, Leo. And they see that when you feel free, you feel more positive about things. Number 3, 2, or 5 could be significant, or 32 could be significant for some of you. But this is the person who wants you to let go of all the negativity about them toward this connection. They don't want to hear the words but, never, cannot. They feel like that does not exist in this connection. Don't tell them you want to be with them, but there's no such thing. Don't say you will never do something because you never know. Don't say that you cannot see them. They don't want to hear that. No is not an answer for this person right now. They want you to stay in a positive energy. Use positive words. Think wholesome thoughts. Affirm happiness and contentment and be in the moment. They feel that you are attracting good things as you move forward smoothly toward this connection, right? They want you to continue to move forward toward the connection, but just be mindful of the thoughts you have, all right? Don't engage in gossip about this connection. Don't doubt their love for you, and don't fear them, right? They want you to get out of that energy so that you can finally move forward with them now. So you both see each other really benefiting because of this love. And you both want each other to keep moving forward and don't let anything get in the way, because this is your time to come together or move forward with each other right now, Leo. So you both are really, really, and I mean really, rooting for each other not to think negatively or not to let any negativity get in the way right before the big moment. All right, so you guys are just like, yeah, don't let anything come in between us right now. We've come too far. You both are like that, the same mindset, because you both really, really, really want the connection. This is awesome, and that's all I have, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.